Well, usually when I first come in, I check my email, look at my schedule, see if I have any meetings for the day, respond to any emails I have to respond to. Um, and then usually in the mornings I'll work on projects that are a little more laid back or not any hard deadlines that day. We'll take a lunch, and then afternoon I'll work on the more intense or long-term projects that I have.
Let's see, I review documents for our clients that we're putting together. I keep our clients updated and talk to them about where we are on projects. And occasionally I'll reach out to new business prospects as well to try to get more work.
See what kind of deadlines and meetings that I'll have so I can really plan out my day. Go through, based on priority, what needs to get done first or what has the highest priority.
I have, I'll work on many different projects, conference calls with clients, working with the people that, the tech staff that I work with on a continual basis. We'll talk about projects, we may have meetings, the list goes on and on.
Doing equations, emissions calculations in Excel, writing cover letters, improving previous versions of calculations or worksheets, maybe running a model run, air quality modeling, summarizing modeling results.
So it's anything and everything that goes into these reports, whether it's emissions data, emissions inventories, or state forms, narrative sections, that sort of thing.
I answer a variety of emails, interface with clients and or regulatory agency personnel, and or manage projects by communicating internally with technical managers and or technical staff. All in an effort to make my industrial clients operate in compliance with the air quality regulations that they're subject to.
The glass bottle manufacturing industry, the utility industry, and power plant industry.
Pulp and paper, cement, and petroleum refining.
Medical manufacturing. I work with a small medical device manufacturing facility. Second one would be lead acid battery manufacturing. And I saved the best for last because one of my favorite companies I work for is in the food and beverage industry, and it's definitely more heavily on the beverage side, and you're likely to enjoy one as a college student on a Friday night.
Pulp and paper, I've done a lot of work in. I've done a good amount of work in the natural gas industry, and I just recently have been exposed a little bit to the automotive industry, which is pretty cool.
So I've been exposed to the food and beverage industry, working with some beer company and chocolate companies. I've worked with wallpaper printing, which I never thought that I would. I got to visit that facility, which was really cool. And then I've also been involved a lot with the oil and gas industry.
Hospital medical waste incineration, cement, and landfills.
Landfills, cement industries, and the chocolate industry.
I'd go with Fruit Loops when I eat cereal.
Probably Honey Bunches of Oats.
My favorite cereal would probably be Rice Krispies.
Yeah, Honey Nut Cheerios.
I don't eat cereal.
I'm allergic to cereal, Frank.
What?
I do bacon and eggs.
I don't eat cereal very often, but I'm a fan of Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I don't eat cereal. If I had to choose, I suppose I would say Lucky Charms, harkening back to my college days where all I ate was Lucky Charms.
My favorite cereal is Honey Bunches of Oats. It's the only cereal I eat.
Lucky Charms.
I guess Cheerios, Chex, anything apple cinnamon has been my recent favorite.